Hello students, today we are going to start with our next chapter, lesson number 24, substances, objects and energy. Can you tell? Write a few lines on the blackboard with a chalk. Now observe the chalk. What change do you see in the chalk? The chalk becomes smaller. Wipe the board with the duster and then tap the duster against the table. What do you see? The chalk has become smaller, and when the duster was tapped, particles of the chalk fell off from it. These particles were of the same color as the piece of chalk. This tells us that when you wrote on the board, particles of the chalk stuck to the board and when you wiped the board, they came off. मतलब हर चीज़ ये पार्टिकल से बनी हुई है ना. Take small piece of candy, sugar or coal when pound them in the mortar. What do you notice when you pound the coal or the sugar? It turns into the powder, that is into the small particles. All substances we see around us are made up of tiny particles. You must have seen how sawdust or particles of wood fly when the wood is cut with a saw. When iron or copper is made smooth with a fine file, we get particles of iron or copper. All substances like pencil, chalk, paper, wood, wheat grain, iron, copper, coal are all made up of fine particles. The small particles of various substances that we can see are themselves made up of many tinier particles. जो small particles हम लोग देखते हैं उसमें भी बहुत सारे tinier particles होते हैं. These tiny particles are so small that they are not visible to our eyes. Lakhs of particles of any substance must come together to form a particle that can be visible to us. They are made up of very tiny particles that we can't see. Okay, so many particles come together to make a particle. Use your brain power. What are the small particles that can be seen in the beam of light that enters a dark room? आप लोगों ने कभी लाइट का उजाला देखा है? उसमें से आप लोग देख सकते हो बहुत सारे टाइनी पार्टिकल्स यू कैन सी. डू यू नो the theory that all substances are made up of minute particles was proposed long ago by Kannad Maharshi. Kannad Maharshi was born in the 6th century BC at Prabhas Kshetra near Surti Somnath in Gujarat. His given name was Uluk. He proposed that all particles in the world can be classified into 7 categories. He was also the first to suggest that every object in the universe is made up of minute particles. He named that tiny particles Pilav. Means he was one who have told that every particle is made up of tiny particles. If there is a sudden shower, we take shelter under the roof at the roadside. Even though the rain does not fall on us directly, we get wet to some extent. Why? Because the small particles, the tiny particles of water, when they fell on the road, they bounce off and breaks into the droplets, and the tiny particles of water they make us wet. This means that liquid is also made up of small particles. Make a list of all the everything substances that we use in the form of a powder. Naphthalene balls are placed in warm clothes after some days. Why do the clothes also smell of naphthalene? Naphthalene balls are also placed in the toilets. Why do they become smaller after a few days? Because all these things are made up of tiny particles. Naphthalene is continuously being converted into the small particle in the gaseous state. मतलब gaseous state में ये continuously चेंज होते रहता है और इस वजह से नेप्थेलाइन बॉल दे बिकम स्मॉलर एंड स्मॉलर. सच स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स फ्रॉम द बॉल settles on the clothes. Some of clothes too smell of naphthalene. As the particles leave the naphthalene balls, the small grow smaller in size and slowly disappear. Particles of rangoli also is there. नेप्थेलाइन बॉल में हमने देखा कि हम लोग जो बेसिन में वगैरह जहाँ पर हम लोग रखते हैं वो गैसियस स्टेट में चेंज होते हुए वो स्मॉलर एंड स्मॉलर होते जाता है. नेप्थेलाइन इज ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ वेरी टाइनी पार्टिकल्स एंड दिस टाइनी पार्टिकल्स इट गेट मिक्स इन द एयर. Particles of rangoli are fine like the flour. Rangoli colors are also available in the form of grains. Suppose you do not have rangoli powder. What things that you can use here to make an alternative? अगर रंगोली नहीं है तो आप कुछ भी क्या यूज़ करते हो, उसकी जगह पर क्या यूज़ कर सकते हो? यस, आप चॉक पाउडर यूज़ कर सकते हो. जो भी चीज़ जो पाउडरी है उसमें आप यूज़ कर सकते हो रंगोली बनाने में. The state of the substance water is found in the nature in the three states: solid, liquid and gaseous. In all three states, the individual particles of water remain the same. However, the arrangement of the particles in each of these states is different. You can see here that particles in the solids, they are very nearer. Particles in the liquid are there. There is the distance between them, and in the gaseous particles they are very much distance in the particles. As a result, we see the difference in the properties of the solid, liquid and the gaseous. इसी की वजह से उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ अलग अलग होते हैं सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैशियस की, क्योंकि उनके पार्टिकल्स की अरेंजमेंट ही अलग अलग है ना. All substances in nature have a particular form. That is, they are made up of particles. In nature, every substance occurs in a specific state. According the substance, it's called solid, liquid and gas. For example, aluminium and coal and are solid. Kerosene and petrol are liquids, and the nitrogen and oxygen are gaseous. You can see here that solid, liquid and gaseous, these are the three states of substances. Different substances, can you tell? Now we will see. Asmita went to buy an earthen pot. There she saw many things kept for sale. How did she identify what she needed? From what substances had the potter made all the things? What are the difference between the substance and an object? Because the object which the potter is making, it is made up of a mud. सॉइल या मड से वो बना रहा है ना, तो बहुत सारे पार्टिकल्स इकट्ठा करके उनको वो सॉलिड फॉर्म में तैयार कर रहा है. ऑब्जेक्ट दैट हैज़ डेफिनेट शेप, किसी को भी डेफिनेट शेप अगर होता है, दैट इज पर्टिकुलर वे द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ फ्रॉम द सब्सटेंस. लुक एट द ऑब्जेक्ट इन द फिगर अबाउट. व्हाट सब्सटेंसेस आर दे ऑल मेड अप ऑफ? यस, ऑल आर मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट? वुड, है ना. वुड से बनी हुई है बैट, फिर प्लाईवुड, चेयर, टेबल, ऑल दिस ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर मेड अप ऑफ वुड. तो वुड की जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ है वही वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स की प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती है. कैन यू टेल? नाउ विल सी द एनर्जी पार्ट. वी मेक यूजफुल ऑब्जेक्ट्स फ्रॉम द वेराइटी ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस. अनदर यूज ऑफ सब्सटेंस इज दैट वी गेट एनर्जी फ्रॉम सम ऑफ दैम. देयर इज अ कार. Its tank is full of fuel, but it does not move. Why is that? When we have run a long distance, we feel tired. We have to stop. Why is that? Because of the energy. If there is no energy, then जब तक वो अगर टैंक फुल भी है गाड़ी की, लेकिन जब तक वो उसको स्टार्ट नहीं किया जाएगा, वो टैंक का जो फ्यूल है वो एनर्जी नहीं यूज़ करेगा, तब तक कार कैसे मूव होगी. जब हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा चल लेते हैं तो हम लोग थक जाते हैं. क्यों? तो हमारी एनर्जी ये ख़त्म हो जाती है. एनर्जी इज़ रिक्वायर्ड टू डू एनी वर्क. अंडरलाइन कीजिए इसे. एनर्जी यूज़ होती है हर एक वर्क करने के लिए. द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द बॉडी टू डू वर्क इज़ कॉल्ड एनर्जी. व्हेन पेट्रोल और डीजल बर्न्स, A motor vehicle energy gets released when petrol is finished or it stops burning, the vehicle too stops running. जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बता कि एनर्जी ये क्या है, कोई भी वर्क करने के लिए, लगने के लिए, वर्क जब होता है तो उसे एनर्जी यूज़ होती है। जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया जो कैपेसिटी ऑफ द बॉडी है वर्क करने की, उसे हम एनर्जी बोलते हैं। पेट्रोल, डीजल ये जब बर्न होता है व्हीकल में और जब ये एनर्जी देता है तब कहीं जाकर गाड़ियाँ मूव होती हैं। यू कैन लर्न दैट इन आवर में many machines can be run using the fuels coal, diesel, CNG, LPG, petrol and all the substances from which energy is obtained in the form of heat. When a person or a vehicle moves, heat energy gets converted into motion. Energy in the form of the motion is called kinetic energy. जब एनर्जी ये मूव होती है तो उसे हम काइनेटिक एनर्जी बोलते हैं। ऑल मूविंग थिंग, जो भी मूविंग थिंग है, have kinetic energy. For example, when the wind blows, the windmill turn, the sailing boat and the clouds move from one place to another. This work is being done because of kinetic energy, isn't it? Which other machines you know use the kinetic energy for the how do they get the kinetic energy? Yes, a ceiling fan, a mixer grinder, a water pump are the machine in which kinetic energy is used. They get kinetic energy from electricity. Electricity is also a form of energy. You can underline this. What is the original source of the energy for the electric produced at the thermal power station? Yes, water is being used in the thermal power station. Okay, to produce electricity. What use of heat energy do we see in our daily life? Heat energy जो हम लोग डेली कुकिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, that is the heat energy we see in our daily life. Other forms of the energy now we are going to see. We use several devices in which work is done using not heat but other forms of energy. हीट नहीं यूज़ होता है लेकिन एनर्जी के दूसरे फॉर्म यूज़ होते हैं, जैसे कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, जो कि टीवी, लाइट, साउंड एनर्जी, ये सब कन्वर्ट होकर हम लोग देखते हैं। Plants use sunlight to prepare their own food. In this process, energy from the sunlight is stored in the food substances. They in the burn and in the body and gives us the energy needs for the various purposes. Okay. When we burn substances like coal, mineral oil, the stored energy they contain in converted into the heat energy. Sources of energy, from where we get energy, we can use various forms of energy such as heat, light, sound, electricity and kinetic energy to do the different tasks. In today's world, our main source of all this form of energy are fuels and electricity, and to produce electricity many power stations use fuel. Do you know stores of coal and mineral oil on earth are limited. In further, we will have to use mainly solar energy and atomic energy for the purpose of producing electricity. So we should save electricity. Okay. Do you know there are batteries which produce electricity using sunlight. They are called solar batteries. The heat of the sun, flowing water and wind do not get depleted. Besides, they do not cause pollution when used. Okay. To electricity by this method is expensive, and in any method of electricity generation resources from the environment have to be used. Hence, many a habit of using the minimum amount of electricity is necessary in today's world. That's what I want to tell you, that you should use electricity as less as possible. You should save the electricity. Sunlight Wind and water are non-exhaustible source of energy. They must be used to the maximum extent at the alternative source of energy. What we have learned: every substance we see around us is made up of minute particles. We can make different objects from the same substance. Substances are in the solid, liquid, or gaseous states. The capacity of the body to do work is called energy. All moving things have kinetic energy. Various forms of energy, such as heat, light, sound, electricity, and you are used to do different kinds of work. Sunlight, wind, and water are non exhaustible source of energy. ये सब हमने ये लेसन में देखा. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग है दैट वी शुड नॉट वेस्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. हाउ मच, जैसे हम लोग को वाटर का भी हम लोग को वेस्ट नहीं करना है, वैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी वेस्ट नहीं करना है. थैंक यू.